Hi there, it's Sunday the 12th of October 2014. This is Andy Rowe at trendfollower.co.uk, and I'm just going to run through my weekly review of some key indices that I like to look at, starting with the FTSE 350, which has been pretty much going sideways until the past couple of weeks, and it looks like it's falling. So a couple of down weeks, and it looks like the 30 MA is about to cross underneath the 50 MA. So looks like things are going down in the UK. Ditto the FTSE 100, so the biggest UK companies look like they're falling. FTSE 250, ditto the MA30 has crossed under the MA50, which to me is a strong sell signal. There have been a succession of lower highs and a succession of lower lows. So looks to me like the 250 is going down. Property has just dropped down through its average for the year, first time for some long time. If I open the graph up, I think it crossed up through its 50 MA in 2012 and it's stayed above it ever since. It reached a high fairly equivalent to the high in 2007, and now it looks like it's topped out and going down. So we've got a lower high in place and a lower low, so a couple of lower lows. So property looks like it's going downwards, which good news for me because I've got some property trades that depend on this. And oil has been going down as well. For a long time it's been range bound in a narrowing range, but actually has dropped down through the lower part of the range. So oil is going down. That's oil. French market's gone down again, a lower high, a couple of lower lows. Similar with the DAX, the German index, going down. The American index still above the MA50, but it's come down towards it and a bit more drop, and it'll go down through it. So is America topping out as well? Maybe. The S&P 500 is doing the same. It peaked about 3 weeks ago, and now it's coming down towards the MA50. If it drops through it, that to me will be a strong sell signal. Ditto with the Nasdaq, the tech stocks in the US. Japanese stocks are going sideways, so a couple of bad weeks. There's been a sort of high up here somewhere, and it's dropping away from that. Bonds seem to be kind of rising. Certainly this week they've been rising probably because stocks have dropped so much, but they're kind of going sideways but rising as well. The Australian index has been dropping for 6 weeks in a row and went down through its average for the year 3 weeks ago, and it's been falling ever since. So things going downhill in Australia. Gold this week went up. There does seem to be some sort of support down around this level here. So will gold go up? Will gold go down? Who knows? But a better week for gold because it's had a run of bad weeks. So sometimes gold can do the opposite of what stocks are doing. So it could be that we could see a rise in gold, but that's only my personal opinion. There are a number of people saying it's the beginning of another fall for gold, so we'll see. Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF went up this week and the 2 weeks before. Will it keep going up? Who knows? So in summary, it looks to me like the indices are heading south, certainly in the UK and in Europe, that we've had strong signals that that's the case. The US, it's less obvious, but if things go down much more, then certainly that would signal to me that things are going down in the US. So I'm starting to think really much more about opening positions that are selling positions, so selling to open, so shorting positions is going to be the kind of approach that I'm going to be taking just at the moment. So this is Andy Rowe on trendfollower.co.uk.